In previous session, we have learned the basic CATIA and profile toolbar and redefine profile. Second is the circle. Select first circle, click point and draw the circle. You want to give the dimensions to the circle constant. In constant, click constant toolbar, select circle and give the dimensions. If you want to change the dimensions, double click on the dimensions. Suppose 100. If you want to give the radius, you can select the radius. Second one is the e-point circle. Select first point, second point and third point. Second is the circle using coordinates. Select H is the horizontal and V is the vertical. Suppose 100 distance and vertical distance is 150 and give the radius. Suppose 50 and enter. Okay, circle will create. Second is the tangent circle. Suppose if you want to hear the circle, select first tangent circle, first line, second and third line. Circle will create passing through tangent lines. First four are circles and second is the e-point arc. Select start point, midpoint and end point. If you want to give the radius, you can give the radius with the help of constant. Double click, change the dimensions. Second is the e-point arc, start with limits. First start point and give the end point and midpoint. First we have seen the first point, midpoint and then end point. Here first point, end point and then midpoint. Second is the arc. Select first midpoint, start point and end point. Drag the mouse and delete. Second is the line. Just randomly click on line. Here is the controlling points. If you want to change the controlling points, click on a point and change the points. Second is the ellipse. Okay. First is the in conic. First is the ellipse. Select first point. Give the major axis or major diameter and minor diameter. Okay. Second is the parabola. Select first point, start point and end point. Second is the hyperbola. Select first point, start point and start first point, start point and end point. Second is the lines, line types. First is the normal line. Select line and draw the line. Click point, draw the line. Second is the infinite line. There is no end. Second is the bitangent line. Draw two circles. First circle and second circle. Okay. If you want, here is the tangent to circle. Click on a tangent line. Select first circle and select second circle. The tangent line will create. If you want here, so first select circle and second, select circle in push. Second is the bitangent line, bisecting line. Draw first line and draw second line. If you want here bisecting line, select bisecting command, select first line and second line. Line will create passing through two lines and bisecting with each other. Second is the line normal to curve. Suppose draw the circle and select line. Line exactly tangent to the circle. Sorry, line exactly perpendicular to the circle. Second is the axis. For using the shaft of group command. Okay. Axis center line means. Second is the point types. And point first is the point by clicking. Click on a point. Okay. If you want to give the dimensions, select constant first horizontal line and point. And horizontal line select and point will constant. Second is the point by using coordinates. Give the coordinates dimensions. First horizontal, suppose 100 and vertical is the 50. Okay. Second is the equidistance point. Suppose circle will create, and if you want in circle equidistance point, select equidistance point and the circle. If you want number of 6 points, give the 6 points. If you want change the dimensions, double click on the dimension. Second is the intersection point. Draw the cross two lines, first line and second line. If you want here the points, select intersection point. Select first line and second line. Point will plot. The second is the projection point. Suppose draw the one line and point. Okay, exactly point will create. First orthogonal and second is the along a direction. Select first orthogonal. Select first point and line. Line exactly perpendicular to this line. Okay, and point will create. Second, if you want change the angle, select projection, select point and click on along a direction and select line. If you change that dimension. Okay. So profile toolbar completed. We will see the constraint. Two types of constraint. First is the dimensional constraint and second is the geometrical constraint. Okay. Dimensional constraint means length, radius, diameter. These are the dimension constraint, and second one is the geometrical constraint. Means relation between two elements. Okay. Select first line. If you want this line horizontal or vertical, select line, and in the constraint, first is the constraint defining dialog box. Select line. select horizontal constant. Okay, H means horizontal constant. If you want vertical line, select line and click on a vertical constant. Okay. Second is the draw two lines. If you want two lines parallel to each other, select first line, control press and select second line. Okay, and parallel. Two lines are parallel. Second is the line. If you want two lines are perpendicular, select first line, press the control button and select second line. Select constant and click perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular to each other. Second is the coincide constant. Suppose got a circle. Circle. If you want this point on a origin, select first point and press Ctrl and select origin point and use coincide constant. Second is the concentricity. Suppose draw the circle. If you want to circle in single point, select first circle and second. Give the concentricity constant. Second is the symmetricity. Suppose one rectangle will draw. Suppose dimensions first line and second line 100 and 100. Suppose if you want rectangle in a center, select first two lines and select second line and symmetric. Second is the if you want these two lines are symmetric to reference, select first two lines and reference line symmetric. These are the geometrical constants. Here is the rectangle. This rectangle are fully constant. If you remove this dimension, these two lines are under constant. Select line and drag. It is movable. So give the dimension, and this is the fully constant. Double click on dimensions and change the dimension. Suppose you give in this dimension, these are the over constant. So green color is the fully constant, white color is over constant, white color is the under constant, and magenta color is the over constant.